Hello guys, I have put a widget on my home screen for easy shortcut access, and you can see I can turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and cell data using my pull down menu. But this is you can see that if I turn off Wi-Fi, it says that it is turned off till tomorrow, so it will turn back on again. But here you can like a hardware switch, you can turn off and on your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and cell phone data as well as location services. So for example, if I select Wi-Fi off, it turns off Wi-Fi. Bluetooth off, Bluetooth is off. Cell data off, cell data is off. Now you see that when I put cell data on, you can see 3G on upper right corner. So if I put off, it is off. So if I put on Wi-Fi, so it will put on the Wi-Fi. So normally the Bluetooth remains on and it consumes the battery. So if you have put this widget on your home screen, it is easy to conserve the battery by utilizing these services. Now let us go to the location services. It is Apple has not enabled to directly enable or disable the location services. So when I click this, it takes me to the location services and where I can turn on and off my location services. So this is a bit long, but you can see that you have to you can quickly access that setting. So it's kind of a shortcut to access that settings. So how you can create this widget where you can put all your shortcuts and another one on your home screen. So this is quite useful. You can use it for other purposes as well, where you want to put like call features on your home screen, that if you want to call someone, you can put that contacts in a on home screen in a widget. I am going to show you how to create a widget shortcuts like this and put it on your home screen, where you can easily toggle or turn off and on your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and similarly mobile data. So let's start, and for this purpose you need to go to shortcuts, and you have to click this back button, and here you can see that shortcuts are created in folders and grouped in folders. So what we need to do is, if we want to put them together in a widget, and then we have to create a folder. So let's create a folder, and I name it like quick settings. So you can name it anything, and you can select any icon for this. I will select like this command button, which is at the end. So let's do this. Okay, so now I go to the quick settings, and here you have to create the shortcuts that you want to put. So for a large size widget, you can do this like 8 shortcuts. So I will give you an example here. For example, I put, let's add an action. So you say set Wi-Fi. So I do it set Wi-Fi, and it gives you an option to turn Wi-Fi either on and off. So if I click on, it says off. So when I run this shortcut, it will turn off the Wi-Fi. So when it is on, it will turn the Wi-Fi on. Simple. So simple that action. Now you put the next. Here you have to name your shortcut. So we name it like turn Wi. Sorry for mistake. So we say Wi-Fi off. So I'm writing 1 because I have already name that is Wi-Fi off. So let's click this icon, and you see you can put it color. So since it is Wi-Fi off, so I say red color, and then glyph. So glyph is an icon which will show on that shortcut. So I select Wi-Fi. Okay, so done, and this is Wi-Fi off. So I set it as Wi-Fi off. So this is my first shortcut for Wi-Fi off. Let's put another one, add action, and I say it's set Wi-Fi on. So set Wi-Fi, that is turn on, and next, and I can click this icon. I put a green color and I glyph, select the Wi-Fi icon. So that is, so I name it Wi-Fi on 1. Since I have already that shortcut, so I am putting 1. You can name it whichever way you like it. So I say done. So you see now we have 2 shortcuts, Wi-Fi on, Wi-Fi off. So let's put another one and add action, and here I say Bluetooth. So set Bluetooth. You see it has 2 options, turn Bluetooth on or turn Bluetooth off. But if I click turn, it will give me option toggle ask each time. So when I select ask each time, it will ask me to whether you want to turn on and off or you want to toggle. So let's say I want to toggle. So here it is toggle Bluetooth. Okay. So next I select this icon. I select green color or blue color for Bluetooth, and this does not have a specific icon for Bluetooth. So what we can say is select is I randomly select this one. Okay. Or you can say I select I can select any glyph. So let's say I select this, and the color is blue. So I have done it, and let's select this check mark. Okay, so done, and you have to write. So since it is toggle, so I will write name as toggle Bluetooth. Okay, so done. So now you see it has toggle Bluetooth icon. So what I do is I select this icon, and I can move it and rearrange the icon on this folder, so that when this home screen is I put a shortcut on my home screen, so they are arranged the way as I want them to look. So now let's add one more shortcut, that is the shortcut to access the location services. So what I will do is I will put a URL. Okay, and here I have to write something which is prefs semicolon root is equal to privacy. I put all cap, and location. Oh, I just forgot. So let's go and check what is that. So and path is equal to. So I this copy this. Oh. So privacy and path is equal to location. So what we have to do is we go to the settings and I create new, and here I put URL, and here in URL I write prefs root is equal to privacy and path is equal to location. So now we have to add, and I write open URL. Okay, so now when I run it, it will take me to the location menu in the privacy uh, of the settings, and so where I can turn on and off. There is no direct way to turn on and or off the locations like I have done for Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or cell data. So I play it, and you see it take me to the location services where I can turn on and off the location services. Okay, so coming back to the shortcuts, so now it has been completed. We go to the next, and here I put the color like orange, and I select glyph, and you see there is a glyph for location services which can be selected from this icon. And where is that? Oh, here it is. So I put that location, and now done, and I say location toggle. So I will say it location toggle. It will not do it directly, but I will say it. So now you see we have 4 shortcuts that are on our home screen. So you can create up to maximum 8 or more which you want to have in a widget. So let's arrange these icon array again. So these are appearing in a way I want them to appear on my home screen. So that is it. Now we go back and we see that we have a quick setting folder that has 4 shortcuts. So now you will come to the home screen, keep pressing your home screen, you put plus, and here you scroll down to the shortcuts, and you have multiple choices like these 4 or 8. So I will select these 4 icons and add widget to the home. So the widgets are now, shortcuts are now in a widget on home screen, but I want it to show the shortcuts that I have just created. So I will keep pressing this widget and some long press, and you will have 3 options. So I will go to the edit widget. Here it asks me which folder you want for shortcuts. So I select this all folders and select the folder which I created recently, that is quick settings. So I click that and I click on the blank area. So now you see there are 4 shortcuts which we have created recently, and it is appearing on the home screen. So you can set wherever you want on these 2 on your home screens. Like so let's check Wi-Fi off. Wi-Fi is off. You see that icon has gone. Wi-Fi on. So you see that Wi-Fi has turned on and it is connected. So now you see Bluetooth is disabled or not connected. So I toggle Bluetooth. So the Bluetooth is disabled. I toggle Bluetooth. So the Bluetooth is on. So that's why I prefer this Bluetooth on and off, so I know what I am doing. For toggle, you have to again check whether you are turning off or on. So it is better that you create a shortcut with off and on, clear visibility. So let's toggle Bluetooth off. So it's off. So you see now it is off. You can do that to share your. So now to the location, you click on this. It will ask whether you want location services to be enabled. You enable it, and you swipe up and you come to the home screen. You again go to this, you swipe up, turn off. It asks you to turn off, and it will turn off the location services. I think Apple has put it like this for location services because this is critical, especially for Find My iPhone services. So this is all. If you need any help, you can put your questions in the comments below, or you can ask me anything and I will help you. Thank you very much. These are simple shortcuts but very helpful to put on your home screen for easy on and off actions. Thank you very much. Subscribe to my channel and keep looking for more videos. Thank you.